Welcome to Sustainable Tourism, the podcast where we explore innovative ideas for enhancing visitor experience and ensuring long-term sustainability in Baguio City. I'm your host, Carl Domingo, and today we're discussing how to take tourism in Baguio to the next level. Baguio City, known as the summer capital of the Philippines, attracts millions of visitors every year. But with the growing numbers of tourists, come the challenging of ensuring that our city remains sustainable for future generations. So what can we do to enhance the visitor experience while we also protect our environment and community? One innovative idea is to develop digital self-guided tours that showcase the best of Baguio. Using AI-powered storytelling, this tour can be accessed through an app and eliminate the need of physical guide. This is not only to reduce the carbon footprint of tourism but also provide visitors with more personalized and flexible experience. Another idea is to implement a Safe Routes initiative where tourism provider works together to identify safe and scenic routes suitable for different target audiences. This can include bike paths, hiking trails, and even food tours that highlight local cuisine. By providing visitors with safe, accessible routes, we can reduce the risk of accident and promote a more enjoyable experience. To ensure long-term sustainability, we can also implement the community engagement program, where local residents are involved in the tourism industry. This can only training programs for local guides, entrepreneurship opportunities for small businesses, and even cultural exchange programs that promote cross-cultural understanding. Finally, we can explore the use of eco-friendly accommodations and transportation options, such as electric vehicles and sustainable lodging. By providing visitors with environmentally friendly choices, we can reduce our carbon footprint and promote a more sustainable tourism industry. That's all for today's episode of Sustainable Tourism. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope you'll enjoy us next time as we explore more innovative ideas for enhancing visitor experience and ensuring long-term sustainability in Baguio.